During the summer of 2021, Agile Air Con Hire was called out to install portable air conditioning to a new school building. The building did not have any air conditioning ready for the first day of school, and it was hot. It was for this reason the school contacted us, to have air conditioning installed into the classrooms until the electricians on site had completed the split system air conditioning installation. Upon being called by the school, we were able to mobilize and be on site with the 23 aircons needed within 3 hours. With 4 levels consisting of 23 rooms in total needing air conditioning, it was no small task. However, we were able to have all the units installed and running before the end of the school day. Each 4.9 kilowatt cooling capacity unit was set up to cool a room of about 50 square meters, with the exhaust hot air being vented out of the window of the rooms. The cool air was then expelled out through the front 2 nozzles on the machine. Upon the split system installation being completed 4 days later, we returned back to site to pack up and remove our portable aircon units. If you require any temporary heating or air conditioning, call us now on 1300 092 647 or visit us at agileequipmenthire.com.au.